Arrive in style with this Kia 2019 Sedona LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 276 horsepower, 3.3L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.